and welcome to the shed. Just a little quick video today to have a look to see what people think about heated jackets. You're going to spend a bit of money, a couple of £100. Are they worth the money? Well, I've been wearing one now for quite a number of years and I think they're worth the money, so I'm just going to have a quick look at them, what I find works, what don't work, and I hope you find this video useful, so let's take a look. So one of the first jackets I had was this clan jacket. You can make it out there. I've had this for about 8 years probably. It came with an outer fleece, which I don't wear, and I can wear this quite easily underneath my motorcycle clothing, my winter clothing. I use it with the direct power lead onto the bike, which is also compatible to other manufacturers that I've used as well. And all it is just like an electric blanket that heats up. That's my first jacket that I've had. I've had it quite a few years and it's lasted quite well. Now the other jacket I've started using recently is the new Kais jacket. This is more of an all-in-one fleecy type coat. It's got some kind of clever bits and pieces inside, unlike the other one, which was an heated element that took about half a minute to 45 seconds to warm up. This is a lot more instant. You can wear it more of a fleece, zip pockets, but also tucked away in here is where your heating controller fits on, and the connection onto the jacket, which is the same as the other one. There you have another power outlet, so you can connect trousers, gloves and other things with the other leads you can purchase for the jacket. Both jackets work very well, but obviously this one's quite new and it works better than the old one. One thing I have found when you wear a heated jacket is that some people tend to wear a lot more layers underneath. Like they'll have a t-shirt on, a jumper, and they'll put the heated jacket over the top. When I wear these, I just tend to wear either a single base layer or a t-shirt, and then I put maybe my outer coat is all I normally wear over the top with the lining in. With the newer Kais, when I've taken my lining out, because it's quite a little bit thicker than the old clan one. And basically you just get the heat from the jacket straight into your body, as opposed to insulating yourself from the jacket. So you really do feel the benefit of the heat. I have the wiring harness on the bike and connect the jacket to the wiring harness. It's a simple connector like that you get both ends. This is off the clan one. It's an old 3-position, high, medium and off. The other one is a bit more modern. It's you press and hold and set it, so that works a lot more efficient. My recent coat, I've taken the lining out with the newer jacket because it's more efficient than the old clan one, but I would not ride in the winter on long distances without wearing my heated clothing. The only problem I've had with the older one is the fuse that came with it was a 5 amp fuse. The power that was coming through, it blew the fuse on occasions, so I simply changed it to a 7.5 amp. Since then I've had no problems at all with it. I know you're not supposed to rate your fuses, but to keep it going, and I do tend to carry the odd fuse in the winter in my pocket just in case I do have one blow. It's very rare it happens, but it can happen. The other thing is as well, is if you are looking to buy one of these, I know that some sports bikes nowadays, the batteries are on the limit as to their performance of the bike, so as it can save on weight and things. It probably is well worth checking that your electrical system does have the capacity to run your heated jacket before you purchase it. So that's it from me. Heated jackets, yeah, well worth the while. I hope you've enjoyed this first visit to the shed. Maybe there might be a few more in the future. and as always, keep it upright.